If you are an old school guy, and I know that some of you, or quite a lot of you you will love this that I'm going to show you. Look at that. So I am in Linux and I'm using Microsoft Edit. What the hell? This is the old school Edit. This is the true thing Edit. So this is the Microsoft Edit from the MS-DOS era working in Linux. So this is a great project that it was quote-unquote recently created. I'm going to put the download links in the comments below. But some crazy people that I love them, they decided to make a modern day port of Edit for Windows, Mac, and Linux, of all places, Linux. And this is the actual, if you remember it, Edit tool from the DOS era. So is this okay? And I have been using this for a little bit, and this is actually very viable, very viable text editor. It's really crazy, but it's a very viable text editor. It works awesome. Text editor. This is the old school Edit. Of course, with a little bit of improvements, but it's the old school Edit, and it's actually a viable solution. It's usable. So you save the file, and you can actually quit. You can edit a file, etc, for example, etc fstab, for example, and you are actually editing the system files, and it's actually usable. And it has lots of options, the same options that you like: undo, redo, cut, copy, find, replace, select, status bar, word wrap. Dude, this is an actual viable solution. If you want an alternative to VI, VIM, Pico, Nano, and all of those, it's very usable. I want to explore this a little bit further to see if you can add some colors like VIM. It will be nice. But god damn it, it's really great. It works, man. It's very usable and an actual viable tool to use in your Linux day to day. So I'm going to put the link down below in the description. Just download your ZST file and compress it, and you're off to the races. You can use Edit for your daily tasks if you like. Give it a go. Maybe you like it, and maybe it will surprise you. I was surprised that this project exists, and it really works. It simply works, it functions, and it's pretty good if you ask me. Let me know what you think about this tool. Let me know if you actually are willing to use it. Give it a go and put down your observations in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and comment. It really helps, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.